Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today guys, we will be making sweet bourbon chicken. So before we get into this amazing, delicious recipe, I would like to encourage you to please hit the subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I drop a new video. I'd also like you to comment and share this video. All right, so if you guys are ready, I am. So let's get started. So these are our ingredients that we will be using for this amazing recipe, and it will also be listed in the description box below along with the measurements. All right, so we'll be adding some Worcestershire sauce. That is our sweet bourbon marinade, some onion powder, some chili flakes, some chili powder, and some smoked paprika, and some grated garlic. Now let us mix this thoroughly. Mix everything out, everything really nice. Make sure it's coated all over with this marinade. Now I go in with a little bit of garlic salt and some chicken bouillon, some fresh parsley, and continue to mix. Guys, it smells amazing. Absolutely amazing. Like, the thighs are my favorite part of the chicken. You could tell me which part of the chicken is your favorite part. The drumsticks are good too. My favorite part is the thighs. So we will go ahead and cover our drumstick and let it sit in a marinade from anywhere between 30 to 60 minutes. So it is about that time for us to bake our drumsticks. And this is our sweet bourbon chicken. Guys, that looks so amazing. I want to eat already. So the rest of the marinade we will pour right over the top of the chicken. Need all that deliciousness in there. Add some fresh sliced onions, and we will bake this for 50 to 60 minutes. And that is our juicy, delicious sweet bourbon chicken. Again, guys, thank you so much for spending the time with me today. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell, guys, and hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Enjoy. Bye-bye.